Good morning, guys. I'm going to Flamingo today. I got the jet ready at Pollito, right? And my motor. We got some Hillshire snacking. We got some salt and vinegar chips. We got some fruits, some blue Gatorade, and that's all you need. It's a survival starter pack of Flamingo. I actually added these rod holders to the side of the Yeti cooler, and I feel like it's gonna help taking things off the floor. So we'll see, man. Hopefully we're measuring around this side of this tape today. All right, guys. Well, 10,000 mosquito bites later, I'm on the water. I'm at Flamingo. We're looking to catch some snook, redfish, possibly tarpon, maybe even sea trout. So right now we're on the water by 6:15 a.m. The water's really warm, actually. It's kind of cool. It's like in the low 70s. It's supposed to be high tide. Like, they're supposed to be outgoing. Oh wow, it's a tarpon one right there. It's supposed to be outgoing tide right about now. So, should start to heat up here, fishing wise, in like about an hour. So, anyways, I see a lot of action right here. So I'm about to throw a couple lines here by the launch. See if I can hook something. Ooh, blow up. All right, gotta go. Gotta throw some lines out here. Oh yeah. Oh. Little schools of, I have no idea what they are, but I'm gonna try and catch some of whatever they are here with the cast net. I can get this untangled. Oh, nice. A finger mullet. Oh, yeah. First fish of the day, a snooky. Like ladyfish or little trout, little sea trout. Water's super cold. It's weird because it was warm in the morning. Little jacks. That makes sense. That makes sense why they weren't really getting hooked. The sea trout would have gulped it. Behind the big island. Can't hear you. So sea trout. I'm behind the big island, not Oyster Key, the one next to it. Just caught a nice little trout. Little 14-inch trout. Yeah. The water's super cold. Super cold. Did you hear me? Oh yeah. It's either a redfish or a shark. Or a big tarpon. Jack, of course. Of course. Nice Jack. Nice Jack. Ooh. It's got a sea trout and a nice little Jack. Nice fish. Boy, I thought that was a redfish. Stingray, shark. Wildlife is crazy here. You get 2 for 2 on sharks. That one cut off. And let's see this one. God, no. God damn. All right, come here. All right, come here. Come here. Y'all want to play? Let's play. You want to play? You want to play with me? Let's play. You want to play? Let's play. You want to play with me? Let's play then. I can play all day. Come on. You want to play with me? You don't know who you're messing with. You don't know who you're playing with, man. Ah, damn it. He got me. And I scared him. Well, damn. We got here? A snook action on what? What do we catch it on? Ooh! On the new action pack, baby. Yes, sir. I love it. It's a little shiny snooky. It's starting to heat up, Mike. This thing's getting wrecked by snook right now. This thing's getting wrecked by snook. Action pack bait. Yeah, guy. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Big tarpon.
That's a bleed again, huh?
Yep. That's a snook. Yep. Nice snook. Nice snook. That's a nice snook.
Like the one I got before. Be a little bigger. Like 25, 26. Yeah. That's probably closest spot.
Nice snook. He is 24 and a half. Yeah. Deuces. This thing caught everything today. Beauty redfish, baby. That's what I've been wanting to get. Let's go. Just chilling, eating fruits, catching redfish, exploring. Beautiful day at Flamingo. Beautiful day. Well, guys, it was a slow start to the day. I only caught like a snook from like 6:45 a.m. to about I want to say like 10:30. All I caught was like a little snook, a couple little jacks, and a sea trout. And so I was like, you know what? Let me go to Snakebite, anchor up, have some mullet. I throw out some little chunks of mullet, and just relax, eat my lunch, and leave some lines out with mullet chunks. And sure enough, caught my redfish for the day. Needless to say, the plan worked out. I caught my redfish, and hopefully I land a couple more. So keep you guys posted. I have no idea. It's good. It's nice though. I don't know. Might be another freaking triple tail or jack. Jack. Yeah. Nice jack.
Live shrimp for them. I don't know, I never caught one. Used to be real good eating.
Oh, I had him. Look,
What?
look. The triple tail. What a fish, bro. Please do not come off. Bro, what a triple tail, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, he just smashed this fluke, bro. Dude, he just smashed this fluke. Look at this freaking slob. I mean, to me it's a slob.
I don't know what the sizes are on those, but I'm sure that's a
Wow, bro. Look at that fish, bro. Wow. Holy crap. Bro, did you see how hard it took off? Jesus Christ. Bro, wow. What a freaking fight. That thing gulped the freaking fluke. The whole thing was in his mouth. Holy crap, bro. You don't have any kind of signal out here? Oh yeah, it's 19. Yes, sir. Stud trippy. Stud trippy. Wowzers. What a day, bro. I got my inshore slam and a trippy, and Mike got a giant tarpon. Come on, bro. It feels like a Saturday today.